Buckle up because we've got another money-making powerhouse for you. Stay tuned as we reveal its name and strategies that will help you earn money with just your clicks. This is Pivot Online. Join us as we explore yet another method to make money online in 2023. Signing up. Like most of our money-making methods, to begin, you must first access their website. Upon arrival, navigate to the sign-up section. Complete the registration process by providing your email address and creating a password. This step establishes your account and grants access to the platform's earning features. Ensure the email address used is active and accessible, as it will be crucial for account verification and communication. By following this straightforward registration procedure, you'll be ready to explore the various offers, surveys, and tasks available to start making money. Website reveal. Let's now meet our friend who can give us that extra income stream, GC Loot. GC Loot boasts an expansive array of over 200 available offers, ensuring a wide range of opportunities for users seeking to earn money. Notably, this platform extends its availability to nearly every country, offering accessibility worldwide. A notable perk highlighted on the platform is the possibility of receiving instant payments daily, contingent upon your account's earnings. This feature caters to users' convenience, facilitating prompt access to earned funds. Impressively, the platform has disbursed nearly $4 million to its user base, affirming its track record of delivering payments to individuals engaging in various offers and tasks. This substantial payout indicates a history of honoring financial commitments and fostering trust among its users. With its broad reach, instant payment system, and proven track record of disbursing earnings, GC Loot presents itself as a promising avenue for individuals seeking reliable income opportunities across diverse global locations. Earning mechanism. Once logged into your GC Loot account, direct your attention to the Earnings tab, a pivotal section housing a myriad of income-generating opportunities. This tab serves as a hub for diverse offers waiting to compensate you for completion. Among the available options are surveys, downloadable applications, and playable games offering a spectrum of avenues to earn. It's important to note that while engaging with certain games, proficiency becomes a decisive factor in earning. For instance, achieving success in a game might demand a certain skill level or progress milestone to unlock earnings. On this platform, 1,000 accrued points correspond to $1 in monetary value, serving as the currency system for rewards. By accumulating points through various tasks, you'll witness a tangible reflection of your earnings translating into this points to dollars conversion. For a specific offer within the gaming domain, the displayed reward surpasses the 1,000 point mark, indicating a payment exceeding the $1 equivalency, presenting a potentially lucrative opportunity worth exploring further. Join the conversation. What's on your GC Loot offers? Share your most rewarding offer or task with us. We'd love to hear about the top-notch opportunities that could make a difference in your earnings. Whether it's a survey, app download, or game, let's discuss your best-performing offer. Your insights could help inspire fellow users to be on high alert for those offers. Withdrawal Method. Now, are you ready to cash out your earnings? Once you've hit the minimum withdrawal threshold, set at a mere $2 for PayPal, it's time to claim your rewards. Navigate to the rewards section within your account interface. Here, select PayPal as your preferred payment method from the available options. Follow the straightforward instructions provided to initiate the cash-out process. This seamless procedure ensures swift access to your hard-earned money. By choosing PayPal as your payment gateway and adhering to the platform's guidance, you'll efficiently convert your accumulated earnings into tangible funds, making them instantly accessible for personal use or further financial ventures. Take that step forward and enjoy the fruits of your labor by transforming your virtual earnings into real-world value through the simplicity of the cash-out process on GC Loot. Scam offers. Exercise caution and avoid apps requiring deposits to access earnings, a practice that raises red flags. These apps might promise hefty points but demand deposits for cashing out, suggesting a questionable scheme. For instance, if an app on GC Loot offers approximately $21 but requires a $25 deposit, the math reveals a net loss. such tactics undermine the essence of earning and signify a risky proposition where users potentially lose more than they gain. As a rule of thumb, steer clear of these apps that operate on a model where the payout demands a deposit exceeding the actual earnings. It's prudent to safeguard your finances and time, prioritizing platforms that offer transparent and fair remuneration without requesting upfront payments. Uphold your financial well-being by avoiding these dubious apps, preserving your earnings and ensuring a secure and profitable experience on GC Loot and similar platforms. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Optimizing earnings. To optimize your earnings, first make the most of the referral program on GC Loot by sharing your personalized referral link with friends and acquaintances. This initiative allows you to not only benefit from your own earnings but also earn a commission based on your referred friends' activities. By inviting others through your unique link, you stand to gain up to 10% of the earnings they generate on the platform. It's a win-win scenario where both you and your friends reap rewards. Spread the word, encourage others to join, and watch your earnings grow not only through your own endeavors but also through the collective efforts of your referrals. Leverage this opportunity to expand your earning potential and create a mutually beneficial network within the GC Loot community. Next, join Trendry.com, a vibrant online community and money-making forum designed for individuals seeking diverse income opportunities. Engage with fellow moneymakers, glean insightful ideas, and seek guidance within this expansive Earn Money forum. Benefit from a wealth of legitimate money-making lists and resources shared by the community. Whether you're looking to explore new avenues, share experiences, or pose inquiries about earning money online, this platform provides an interactive space to connect, learn, and thrive. Expand your knowledge, discover innovative strategies, and be a part of a supportive network dedicated to maximizing earning potential. Ultimately, boost your earnings by combining the two and leveraging the power of referrals through Trendry.com. Utilize this opportunity to amplify your income streams by sharing your personalized referral link within the vibrant community. By engaging with fellow moneymakers on Trendry.com and encouraging them to join through your referral link, you not only expand the platform's network but also earn additional income. With every successful referral, you enhance your earning potential, potentially unlocking new avenues for financial growth. Harness the collective strength of the community by sharing insights, discussing money-making strategies, and inviting others to be a part of this thriving platform. Empower yourself and others by building a network that fosters mutual benefit. The Pivot Online Verdict. Earning money through online platforms like GC Loot or engaging communities such as Trendry.com offers a promising pathway towards supplementing your income. However, while these platforms present various opportunities, it's essential to approach them with caution and a discerning eye. Always prioritize the legitimacy of the platforms, exercise due diligence, and safeguard your personal information. Platforms like GC Loot offer diverse earning opportunities, ranging from surveys to app downloads and games, providing a chance to convert your efforts into tangible earnings. Remember, while these platforms can augment your income, they're not a guaranteed path to substantial wealth. Approach them as supplementary income sources, prioritize your security, and thoroughly research them before investing your time and effort. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.